Hey, this is Courtney with the Brown Real Estate Team, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how to prepare your kids in a move as best as possible to get them, ready for the transition. So number one is to make sure that that you're not using any judgment and be ready for angry or sad feelings. You may be excited for the move, but it's a really big change for the kids. And they have to learn and process that. So just be ready and understanding with all of their feelings, and don't show any judgment, and don't try to change their feelings, and just tell them all the positive aspects of the move, and just listen. Just be ready and listen. Number two is, you need to take care of yourself first. So put away the packing boxes at night, go to sleep. Because what you're gonna need in this move is patience, and you're gonna need more patience with your kids. So put away the boxes, don't stay up too late, and get your sleep, so that way you can be there for your kids as best as possible. Number three is prepare your child as much as possible. So take them to the house, take them in the house, take them to the new park that they're gonna be going to in the neighborhood, take them to their new school, anything like that. Expectations, set the expectation. Don't let them be surprised by anything. Maybe walk them around the neighborhood so that they can really get a feel for, what's to come. Another thing is to give your child a little bit of control. So let them pick their new color of their room. Let them help pack. Write their name on their boxes for their room. They would love to feel like they're in control of something, because when you're moving, they can feel very out of control. They didn't choose this. I mean, who knows how they're feeling at this point. So if you can let them have some choices in the matter, then I think they'll feel a lot better with it. So to finalize, the last thing is to set up your kids' room first. So they're gonna need that familiar space with all of their things, and it's just a safe space. So the rest of the house may be crazy, you might be ordering takeout, everything might be out and about, but just make sure that your kids' room is ready to go for them so that they have that safe environment. So just to summarize, make sure that you listen to your child's feelings, be ready for those angry or sad feelings, and don't use any judgment. Number two is make sure you are getting enough sleep so that you can be patient with your kids. Take care of yourself first. Number three is set the expectations. Let them, go to the house, see everything, go to the new school, parks, things like that. Number four is to give your child some control. Let them choose some things in the matter, because they didn't choose this. They're not old enough to know to buy a house. So give them some choices. To finalize, number five is set their room up first. Have their safe space, their familiar things, toys, things like that. So thank you so much for watching. This is Courtney Brown again with the Brown Real Estate Team, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel to watch some awesome videos. So thanks, see ya.